Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. It's always very inspiring to be with CFCFFL kasi buhay na buhay na buhay. Let me add to the answer of my idol, Professor Villegas. Kanina po, napakaganda ng question, how can we counteract the lies? The lies, 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 and deadly deception. Number one is, we have to learn the facts. Learn the facts. We have to study. Sabi po ni Pope John Paul II, defense of life and family is the greatest work on earth. So if it is the greatest work on earth, we have to train ourselves to be able to do it. So meron tayong mga ganito, pero yung ganito po, hindi enough kasi isang oras lang. So dapat magkaroon tayo ng training. And let me go to reproductive health. Huwag po tayong magpapaloko. There is nothing good in the reproductive health bill program. Because number one, all of us have to know, if you examine all the materials on reproductive health, including the manual of the World Health Organization, reproductive health is actually a marketing term used by abortionists since the early 1980s. If you look at the materials, reproductive health is basically three things. What are they? Number one, it is the promotion of free sex regardless of age and marital status. Kaya in the reproductive health bill, meron tayong mandatory sex education for 6 years. It only takes 5 years, 4 years to become an engineer or become a nurse. Pero pag mapasa yung reproductive health bill, 6 years. So ang ating mga anak, pag graduate ng high school, meron lang silang hindi lang masteral but doctorate in sexology. And then also, makikita nyo is the promotion of contraception, of killer contraceptives. Kaya sa reproductive health bill, contraceptives is being classified as essential medicines. So dapat lahat ng mga hospitals, healthcare clinics, etc., they are mandated to have a stock of contraceptives. Pero how can it be essential medicines when overwhelming scientific evidence will tell us that it has more than 60 documented side effects? High blood pressure, risk of heart attacks and strokes, cancer of the breast, liver cancer, and so many others. Hindi pwede yung isang araw lang nasasabihin ko sa inyo yung mga side effects. It will never empower the women, but instead it is going to oppress the women, no? Kasi ang women will take the brunt of all the many side effects. Sabi nila, it will result to satisfying sex life. Pero alam nyo ba that contraceptives results to loss of libido? Kasi according to research, yung mga babaeng gumagamit ng pills, for example, they have levels of chemical very much higher na nagwa-wipe out ng testosterone, which is the source of a female sexual drive. And then it also causes mood disorder. So nag-aaway palagi yung mag-asawa. They do not even know that it is actually a side effect of the contraceptives that they are taking. In fact, on July 29, 2005, the International Agency for Research on Cancer, an attached agency of the World Health Organization, released a study conducted by 21 scientists from 8 countries saying that pills are carcinogenic to humans. And it is classified as a group 1 carcinogen. Kung i-classify po nila na group 1 carcinogen, that means you are at a very high risk to getting breast cancer, cervical cancer, liver cancer, etc. So, number 3, kung ano ang reproductive health, it is abortion. Because there is no contraceptive that is 100% effective, there will still many who will get pregnant. And in the reproductive health bill, we are primed na yan ay unwanted pregnancy, mistimed pregnancy. So therefore, it will open up abortion on demand. So napakarami po yan. And fourth is the promotion of homosexuality, no? Homosexuality. Obama in fact declared the month of June as a month for gays and lesbians. Kaya kung makikita nyo nung June, nandun sila Boy Abunda, yung mga noted na mga gays and lesbians, nandun sa US Embassy. Bakit po nila i-promote ang homosexuality? If 2 men marry, magkakaanak ba sila? If 2 women marry, magkakaanak ba sila? Wala silang anak. And And then, according to overwhelming scientific research, homosexuals will shorten their lives by 25 years, much more than smoking cigarettes and others, no? So I can tell you a lot more. So I beg all of you, please come to the International Congress. I would like to tell everyone, this is not a war between the government, the reproductive health promoters, and the Catholic Church. This is a war between truth and lies, good and evil. So let us fight, because I tell you, I was on the other side for more than 28 years. All the evidence are with us and with the Catholic Church. Ang hamon ko po sa kanila is still standing for a debate with any one of them. Kahit lahat sila, at kahit ako lang or kami lang dito, we can debate them everywhere, no? Kaya lang, kailangan lang very objective. Since I arrived from Uzbekistan last September 30, ang daming mga imbitasyon, pero tape lang. Huwag tayong pumunta sa mga taped interviews. And before I forget, let me answer yung kaninang sinabi ni Maribel. Bakit? Alam naman nila, overwhelming naman ang scientific evidence. Why are they still pushing this? Because we have to know that this is actually a global agenda funded by mind-boggling amount of money. Bakit si Noy, pagkagaling sa US, bigla na lang talagang very open, as if we didn't know na talagang pro-reproductive health siya, noon pa, co-author siya ng RH Bill. Bakit? Kasi binigyan siya ni Obama ng 434 million US dollars, no? Ang Global Health Initiative has pledged 68 billion dollars for reproductive health program. In July 2010, Melinda Gates of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation gave an addition of 1.5 billion dollars. Warren Buffett gave in 1986 $36 billion for this program, and in August 2010 gave billions more. So this is actually Noy and the other government and non-government organization are selling our souls. Wag ho nating payagan. Maraming salamat po.
Instead of the purely theological, doctrinal aspect of that of this struggle that we have, I would like to share with you instead, to pick up yung question earlier on, what should we do? Realizing po that, you remember po when we started the restoration of our community, we started with Our Lady. When we started this consecrating our community to Our Lady, to use the words of a Carmelite nun, steadily guided us on what will happen. And only after 2 years of that restoration, we find ourselves in the thick of the battle, in the eye of the storm. Tamang-tama po the analogy of the eye of the storm. In the eye of any storm, peaceful doon. Wala doon ng typhoon forces. It's around the eye. Well, this is precisely what we have right now. This is a lull moment, but we have to